How to make $10,000 per month simply by copy and paste on social media by following a proven system. Are you looking for a way to make extra income without leaving the comfort of your home? Well, look no further. In this video, we will be discussing how you can make $10,000 per month simply by copying and pasting on social media by following a proven system. Yes, you read that right. It's possible to earn a steady income by copying and pasting the content on social media platforms. All you need is a bit of time, effort, and the right system to follow. The power of social media as a money-making platform. You will learn the advantages of using social media for business. Learn what popular social media platforms to consider. Learn the proven system for making $10,000 per month. Find a niche, research and curate content, and create engaging headlines, add your personal touch and schedule your posts. Learn how to set up your social media accounts. Choosing the right platform, creating an optimized profile, setting up your business account, and integrating your website or blog. Learn how to do the following in a free training session. Learn how to create high-quality content. Learn what makes content high quality. Learn what types of content to consider. Which tools to create great content. How to optimize your content for social media. Learn when to schedule your posts. How to engage with your followers. How to use hashtags effectively. Frequently asked questions answered in the training. Can I really make $10,000 per month by copying and pasting on social media? How much time will I need to dedicate to this? Do I need a large following to make money on social media? Can I use this system on multiple social media platforms? Is this system suitable for beginners? Making $10,000 per month by copying and pasting on social media by following a proven system may sound too good to be true, but it's a reality for many people. With the right system, dedication, and effort, you can also create a steady income from the comfort of your home. Remember to choose the right social media platforms, create high-quality content, schedule your posts, grow your audience, and measure your success. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and watch your income grow. Click the link in the description under this video to watch the free training.